is the brand that I use. Let me just add it in this. If you guys don't know about collagen is good for your skin. Because once you hit into a certain age, you start losing your collagen that your body naturally make. By taking these, it will give you the vitamins that you are losing. So I started taking this since last year. I'll show you guys what I made for breakfast yesterday. Yesterday I was in the mood. I make like a full breakfast. This was my breakfast yesterday. This is a video for TikTok that I posted. Salad with avocado, pumpkin seed, and sweet potato. Chicken with roasted asparagus. Top it with some cheese and balsamic vinegar with tomato, and then quinoa. It was super delicious. And this was the outfit of yesterday. So whenever I'm taking picture, I just use my phone. I will just try. Let me see. I try a couple times before I find the perfect angle that I'm looking for. So let me see. I might try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, like 15 try. And these gonna go on my blog. I look good. Got home from work and I'm gonna make dinner. Okay, so I'm thinking to air fry them to make it quicker. having pear and yogurt for breakfast. I made it last night. I thought I'm gonna eat it for as a dessert with ice cream, but I ended up falling asleep. So I'm gonna eat that for breakfast. It's been 2 days since I haven't been filming because I've been sick. I went to work today, and after work I stopped by at TJ Maxx, H&M, and also Zara. Let me show you guys what I got. Kitchen towels. So this one is 3-packed of oversized kitchen towels, and then this one right here, I like this woven texture. This one is a set of 2. It kind of looks like a weaving, but it's not, and the color is like a beige with white, and that one was $6.99, and this one right here I got it for $6.99 too as well. And in the camera it shows like gray, but it's more like sage color with white. I love stripes, and one solid color here that is sage is this sweater. It's black and white. I have something similar to this one in white and black, and then with pocket on the side, but this one I thought it would be good to wear with mini skirt with an over the knee boots. This bodysuit, I saw that on the website, and when I went to the store I saw it and I decided to try it right away, and it fits me so well. This one right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a cut right here. Tried it with the jeans, looks perfect. Got this jumpsuit for my mom. This is gonna be my newest favorite pair of jeans. These are the high-waisted wide leg. So this is the jeans, like this is the fit. I got it in a size 0. This is the back. It is super long. I am 5'8", and this jeans reach to the floor, so it is long. I don't do too much at nighttime because most of the time I'm tired, and also trying to keep it simple. So I'm just using this toner. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, moment like this kind of like make me want to have a dog so bad, but because I'm not home a lot, I don't want him to be home alone by himself. But I do need a pet though. I need a pet so I can come home and cuddle with. That would be nice. You know, so at least like can I talk to someone, because it's only like me. It's good to talk to someone or something to kind of keep you alive and busy. So I do wish I have a pet, especially a dog. You can cuddle with and then give me my toes. I can take him for a walk. I don't say do everything with the dog, but right now I'm just waiting and see what I'm gonna do. Am I get a dog or not? It's good. I heard really good things about it. I've been using it. It's gonna be a year now since I started using it, and I am loving it so far. And you don't need a lot. Only need like this amount. Like you see, I'm just using just a little tiny bit, and then I will just dab it with my 2 fingers, and then just close. And then just apply some lip balm. So yeah guys, so that's pretty much that's what I do for my nighttime routine. Right now it is 2:27. I have to go to sleep to wake up tomorrow early to go to work at 9. Ready for tomorrow. Good night. See you guys tomorrow.